Here's to the pioneers who pushed west, to the inventors who kept experimenting, to the entrepreneurs who defied naysayers. Here's to the brand founded in 1892 that sent out over 650 million catalogs, opened over 3,500 stores, and employed 1 in 7 Americans. Some may have counted us out. Some may even think we're long gone. Tell that to our over 3,000 technicians who have repaired over 250 million appliances and visit 4 million homes each year. 130 years later, we're still here. 90 days after your repair, we're still here. 1,825 days after your home warranty enrollment, we're still here. Trust the brand you know for years. Trust your home to Sears.